Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of electronics.
In this video, we will learn about ceramic capacitor. Previously, we have learned the basic part of capacitor. If you have not watched it, then click on this card and watch it now. In this video, we will cover 5 topics. Number 1, introduction to ceramic capacitor. Number 2, basic principle of this capacitor. Number 3, internal material of this capacitor. Number 4, purpose of this capacitor. And number 5, the features of this capacitor. So let's get started. You might have seen the brownish or bluish circular component in electronic circuit. That is what we call a ceramic capacitor. In previous video, we have explored the function of capacitor. That is, it stores electric charge in a form of electric field, right? So this ceramic capacitor will store an electric charge in a very small amount. You know what that small amount is? This unit is in picofarad, that is 10 raised to minus 12. You can assume how much it is, 10 raised to minus 12. Means there are 12 zeros after point. And the diameter of this capacitor is between 1 millimeter to 10 millimeter. How small it is. So let us know the basic principle of this capacitor. When you flow an electric charge in a wire, an electric field will generate around the wire. In case of capacitor, there is a dielectric material present between two conductive plates which will not allow the electron to pass. So there is a presence of electric field around these two conductive plates which will store electric charge. This is the basic concept of every capacitor. What is different in this ceramic capacitor? So as per the name ceramic is a material which is used as a dielectric in this capacitor. Ceramic is a high resistance and heat resistant material. Now let us explore the internal material of a ceramic capacitor. In ceramic capacitor, there are only two conductive plates. As you can see in this diagram, the electrode is a two conductive plate. Between this electrode, a dielectric material is used, which is ceramic. These two electrodes will store charge, and there are many layers of ceramic, which depends on the requirement. There are 3 main purposes of ceramic capacitor. Number 1, noise filtration. A ceramic capacitor is used to filter the high frequency noise. Number 2, stabilizing voltage. A ceramic capacitor is used to reduce the voltage fluctuation. Number 3, timing circuit. A ceramic capacitor is used to control the precise time interval in oscillator, clocks and function generators. The ceramic capacitors are mostly used in signal processing. There are many advantages of a ceramic capacitor. So let us discuss the advantage features. Number 1, dielectric material. A ceramic capacitor is made up of ceramic which provide high dielectric strength, due to which their voltage rating is so high. Can you guess the voltage rating? It is more than kilowatt. Yes, it is more than kilowatt. Number 2, small size. A ceramic capacitor is smaller as compared to other capacitors. This capacitor is used in small circuit board. Number 3, high capacitance per volume. A ceramic capacitor offers high capacitance in smaller volume. In spite of having advantages, there are many disadvantages too. So let us discuss the disadvantage features. Number 1, non-linear capacitance. In ceramic capacitor, a capacitance can vary as per the applied voltage and temperature. Number 2, microphonic. A ceramic capacitor can cause microphonic effect, mean it can convert mechanical energy into electrical signal, which can cause noise to the sensitive circuit. Number 3, aging. A ceramic capacitor can decrease over a time due to aging. Aging is nothing but a gradual decrease in ceramic capacitor.